Hey guys, welcome back to the course. In Python, we have an option to exchange data in multiple different formats like JSON, XML, CSV, etc. The choice of data exchange format in Python plays a pivotal role in enabling efficient communication and interoperability across different systems. Although we have the luxury of picking and choosing any of the supported data formats like JSON, XML, CSV, our focus in this module is going to be purely on JSON because of its widespread acceptance across different vendors. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight data exchange format that is widely used for data serialization and communication between applications. If that sounded like a bunch of jargon, then don't worry. It simply means that it is much easier to understand and parse JSON formatted data for both humans and machines. Another important point that works in favor of JSON is its independence from any one specific programming language, which means that it can be used with multiple different languages. It is precisely because of these reasons that JSON has now become the de facto standard for exchanging data among devices and other entities. JSON represents data as a collection of key value pairs, which are enclosed in curly brackets. Each key is a string followed by a colon and its corresponding value, which can be of any data type like a string, number, boolean, etc. If you have gone through my lecture on Python dictionaries, then you will definitely find some similarities between JSON formatted data and the data provided in the form of a Python dictionary. One of the small differences that you may observe between a dictionary and JSON data is that the key and its value in JSON are enclosed in double quotes instead of single quotes, unless of course the value is a non-string entity. Python as a programming language is pretty lenient on this in the sense that you can actually use double quotes in dictionaries as well. However, JSON is not Python. It is an independent data format with its own syntax requirements. In fact, it is quite common to see people wrongly taking the leniency that Python offers and applying it to other entities like JSON. In a nutshell, what you need to remember is that a Python dictionary can have either single or double quotes for its keys and values, but JSON has to always adhere to double quotes at all times. In the next video, we will go over some practical examples to understand how to work with JSON data. So with that, I thank you for joining me in this journey, and I hope you find the rest of the course useful as well.